Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your FactoHR employee account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your FactoHR account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address factohr.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of FactoHR, where you can see the login button available at the top right corner of the screen. Click on login like this, and over here you will be required to enter your work email ID or your mobile number like this. And after entering your work email or your mobile number with which you had created an account on FactoHR, simply click on submit, and on the next step you will be required to enter the password relating to your account on your phone number. And after entering your password, you'll be able to sign into your FactoHR online on your computer. And there guys, this is how you log into your FactoHR employee account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.